today we're diving into Cosine Genie, an AI coding agent that claims to streamline your coding experience. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's see if this tool is a game changer or just another overhyped app. Cosine Genie is designed to assist developers by generating code snippets, offering suggestions, and even debugging existing code. It aims to save time and reduce the frustration that often comes with coding. The interface is fairly intuitive, which is a plus, especially for new developers. You can input your requirements in natural language, and the AI attempts to provide relevant code solutions. What stands out immediately is the tool's ability to integrate with various programming languages, making it versatile for different projects. However, as I explored, I noticed some areas that felt a bit unclear. For instance, the documentation could use more examples to help users understand how to make the most of its capabilities. Also, while the AI does provide useful suggestions, there were times when its responses felt a bit generic and not fully aligned with my specific needs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Cosine Genie can significantly speed up coding tasks, and its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners. However, it's not without its flaws. The AI sometimes struggles with more complex coding tasks, which can be frustrating for experienced developers looking for advanced solutions. There's also the concern about transparency. It's not always clear how the AI generates its code, which might leave some users feeling uneasy about relying on it. And regarding pricing, while it's competitively positioned, it might not justify the cost for casual users or hobbyists. Overall, serious developers might find it useful, but those just starting out may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Cosine Genie has its merits, especially for those looking to speed up their coding process. However, if you're an experienced developer or need highly specific solutions, you might want to consider alternatives. It's worth trying if you're curious, but just keep your expectations in check.